Ever wanted to bring the magic of Adobe Firefly directly into your Discord conversations and spark some serious creative collaboration? Today, we're diving deep into how you can seamlessly integrate Adobe Firefly into your Discord servers, transforming your chat experience into a dynamic creative hub. First things first, you'll need to invite the Adobe Firefly Bot to your Discord server. This is usually done by finding the bot's official page, often on a bot listing website, and clicking an invite button. You'll then be prompted to select the server you want to add it to make sure you have administrator privileges on that server to authorize the invitation. Once authorized, the bot should appear in your server's member list, and you'll likely see a confirmation message in one of your channels. Now for the fun part, generating AI images. Within any channel where the Firefly Bot is active, you can start creating. Most bots use a simple command, often something like Firefly generate followed by your descriptive prompt. Be descriptive. The more detail you provide in your prompt, think colors, styles, moods, and specific elements, more tailored your results will be. For instance, you could ask for a fluffy cat wearing a tiny astronaut helmet in a nebula. The bot will then process your request and present you with a few AI-generated image variations based on your prompt. You can then choose your favorite or even regenerate if it's not quite what you envisioned. Once you're happy with an image, you can easily share it directly into your server channel for everyone to see and react to. This is fantastic for sparking conversation, getting feedback, or just adding a visual flair to your community. So go ahead, experiment with different prompts, collaborate with your friends, and unlock a new dimension of creativity on Discord with Adobe Firefly.